Tonight, regarding the heavy metals found in parts of Southeast Portland, 2 Portland glass companies will now stop using those toxic heavy metals. Our Cole Miller live where the Oregon Health Authority just made that announcement. Cole?
Well, Jeff, good evening. That announcement you mentioned, it came a bit under the gun today. The DEQ says both Bullseye and Uroboros have stopped using cadmium, arsenic, and as we learned today, chromium. And there is a type of chromium out there that can increase the risk of certain types of lung cancers. Now, the DEQ says both glass companies voluntarily suspended the use of those metals. It should be noted, however, that Uroboros never used arsenic. Now, more air and soil testing will begin. That's already underway in Southeast Portland and will later start in North Portland. Now, the agency found out about the chromium use after looking at the company's materials safety data sheets. It's unclear just how much of that toxic chromium was in the mix. The DEQ is now looking at other companies, both here in Portland and around Oregon, that may be using chromium. That could include businesses such as chrome platers. Now, prior to all of this, the DEQ had done no testing of the air at these glass factories. It has to follow federal guidelines, and that limits how much power it has. Now, it's unclear just how long it will take for these tests that are now underway to be completed. And you'll remember that Governor Kate Brown had asked for more information and a timeline on just how long these metals had been pumped into the air. She wanted that information today. The DEQ says it will not meet that deadline. Now, coming up at 11, we'll have more on what could possibly be done to give the DEQ more teeth in these matters. Live in Northeast Portland, Cole Miller, KOIN 6 News.